And literally by me saying that, Alex, are you crazy? Hello, gorgeous girlies. My name is Alex, and if you are new to this channel, then welcome. I am currently an English teacher over here in South Korea as part of the EPIK program. And one of the questions I get asked a lot is, Alex, how on earth do you make friends over there in South Korea? In most instances, people move to South Korea alone. And I'm not gonna lie, girlies, like the idea of making friends can be daunting. So in this very quick video, I'm gonna talk about 5 easy ways that you can make friends over here as a foreigner living in South Korea. And as always, if you find this content useful, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop me a comment down below or message me on Instagram. I will definitely reply to you over there. But without further ado, here are 5 easy ways to make friends as a foreigner living over here in South Korea. Let's go. The first and one of the most popular ways to make friends over here as a foreigner is through language exchange. Language exchange can come in many different forms, so you can have different applications. Applications such as HelloTalk or italki are really popular over here, and they work in a way where you connect with local people, you can learn Korean from them, and they can learn English from you. And those of you that are scared to like show your face, for example, there are options to do like type only conversations, and if you are feeling more confident, then you can do video calls with them. But this is a really popular way of making friends over here. Also with language exchange, in your local area, you are more than likely going to have like some sort of program, some sort of scheme or like location. Many foreigners will gather to do language exchange. Right here in Daegu, there is a place called The Box, and it's a very popular place for Koreans and foreigners to go to. And it works in a way where you give like a 40-minute English session, they give like a 40-minute Korean session. You don't have to pay for it. And it's a fantastic way not only to meet foreigner friends, but it's also really good to meet Korean friends too. So I would definitely recommend when you get over here, looking at different like language exchange programs over here, because they are super helpful for you to make gorgeous girl friends. The second super easy way that you can make friends over here as a foreigner is through package programs. And by package programs, I mean like excursions. You go with like a company, they set everything up, and then you go on this package program, meet other foreigners there and Koreans alike, and you make friends through this. One of the most popular package programs over here is a company called Trazy. I've spoke about them a lot on this channel. They are absolutely fantastic, and they offer a whole host of different experiences over here in Korea. They vary from long weekends away, for example, on like a ski trip. You can go to Jeju, you can travel all around Korea for like a weekend and spend like a whole weekend away with all these people that have booked onto this package program. Or you can do smaller events such as like going to cafes with people. You can go to like painting seminar things. For example, a really popular one in Seoul is go to like food markets and you can cook food together. And it's a really super simple way and really affordable way to make friends over here. And also a lot of people that are booking onto these packages are doing it alone too. So if you are feeling nervous about doing this alone, don't be nervous, because everybody is in the same boat. It's a really great stress-free way as well, because like everything is planned for you. You don't have to like worry about like language barriers. You don't have to worry about like booking accommodation if you stay in a weekend. It's all sorted. So it's a stress-free, easy way to make friends over here. Okay, so the third way, and the way that I've made friends the most over here in South Korea, and for you introverts out there, then maybe it might be kind of daunting, but trust me, it's really not. Like, it sounds a lot worse than what it actually is. I would advise anyone and everyone to go to places alone. And literally by me saying that, like, going to places alone, Alex, are you crazy? But I've made such good friends of going to places alone. I really enjoy going to bars alone, and even just saying that, that just sounds like hell to a lot of people. But in all honesty, it's a super great way to meet people. I will usually go to foreigner friendly bars. I will usually go to like gay bars or drag bars, because everyone is like a huge community there. And more often than not, I go to these bars alone, solo weekends away, and I leave with like a whole new group of friends. We're having gorgeous photo shoots together, we go into the photo booth, we're exchanging numbers, and we're meeting up again in the following weeks. I would 100% recommend just biting the bullet and going to a bar alone, because they are the best places to meet friends. However, if you are not into alcohol or like things and scenes like that, then that's absolutely fine too. There are so many places that you can visit alone and make friends. Cat cafes, board game cafes, normal cafes, just like your regular tourist attractions, which all foreigners are going to go to. If you have the confidence to go up to somebody or like a group of people that look friendly and be like, hi, what's your name? Where are you from? That can be such an easy way to make friends, and like a lot of people don't even realize that. So please don't be scared. Like, what is the worst that's going to happen, girlies? They could just be like, ha, you're weird. I'm joking. They're not gonna say that. Like, everyone is so friendly over here. Like, the worst that's gonna happen is gonna be like, oh, okay, nice to meet you, and they move on. So girlies, go to places alone. I'm sure and positive that you'll meet friends. Okay, so the fourth way of making friends as a foreigner over here is to join groups. By groups, there are so many different types of groups over here for different types of interests, for different types of things that you like. For example, there are many theatre groups, there are many art groups, dance groups, K-pop groups, food groups, book clubs, like honestly, you name it, there is a group out there. And if there's not a group out there, then you can easily make one by the power of the internet. A really easy way to find these groups is through KakaoTalk, Facebook, Instagram, like they're all readily available for you to join. And again, this is a place where like people join these groups alone. So please don't be scared going alone, girlies. You've come to Korea alone, you can absolutely join a group that you're interested in. And the pro of groups too, like everybody is interested in that topic. So you know you have something in common with these people anyway. So girlies, if you want to join a group, it's a super easy way to make friends over here as a foreigner. And finally, I am very aware that a lot of people that watch these videos want to potentially become an English teacher over here, and becoming an English teacher, especially through EPIK, is a fantastic, gorgeous girl way to make friends very easily over here. Especially with EPIK, the program that I'm on, you will have an orientation for the first week when you first arrive in Korea, and this is an amazing way to make friends. Everybody will be fresh into Korea, everybody will be an English teacher, everyone will be a bit nervous. You will also be hanging around with the people within your local area too. Not only this, you will also see everyone from all around Korea at orientation. So this is a fantastic way to like share your Instagrams, share your Kakao Talks, share anything and everything, because you just do not know when these people will come in like handy for your time in Korea. More likely than not, you will also meet people that are not only in your like area within Korea, you'll also meet people within your like local area. So like, for example, I met my best friends over here during orientation. They were literally in the same, well, the next town to me. So it's super easy to meet up with them. They're a really good support network over here. So if you are joining a program over here, such as EPIK or even Hagwons, it's a super easy way to make friends over here, because you're all coming to Korea alone. You're all a little bit nervous. You're all slightly a little bit awkward, because I know I was. Everybody's in the same boat at the same time, in the same room. So share your Instagram handle with everybody and anybody there, because you just don't know who will be your best friends in the very near future. And girlies, a gorgeous girl bonus, a little way to make friends over here is by messaging me. I'm being serious. Like, if you are struggling to find friends over here, please like message me on Instagram, give me a follow on Instagram. Like, I will be gladly down for like a boogie in the club. I'll be down for going for karaoke. I'll be glad for going down for a coffee, spontaneous weekends away. Just let me know, because I am down for making new friends, girlies. Most weekends I just like hang out by myself anyway. Like, I go on solo adventures to different cities. So no matter where you are in South Korea, like please message me, because I will be here for you if you would like to be my friend, because I would love more gorgeous girlfriends. Yes, please. Thank you. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful. Like, my biggest piece of advice is please don't get worrying about like being lonely over here. There are so many ways in terms of making friends over here as a foreigner. And in all honesty, like, the responsibility lies down to you. Like, if you are willing to put in the effort to make friends, then you're absolutely going to make friends. There is so many people out there, so many like-minded people, and I'm absolutely positive that you will make a really good friendship group over here. You'll make loads of connections, and I have no doubts that you're gonna have the most amazing time. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you have any more gorgeous girl questions, drop them down below in the comments, message me on Instagram, or if you want to see some more of this gorgeous girl content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. I hope you have a gorgeous day, and best of luck with your move to Korea if you're coming soon, and maybe I will catch you on this side of the planet very shortly. Speak to you soon. Bye.